In this Business Tech Planet video, we'll show you how to use loop components in Teams using Microsoft Whiteboard. First, we're introducing the new Master Microsoft Teams eBook. It's free to download for all our newsletter readers. And you get all the essentials needed to get up and running in Microsoft Teams, including clear steps and images to guide you through the process. To start mastering Microsoft Teams, just hit the link and download your free copy. Microsoft Loop is a powerful collaboration tool, but currently there's no option to add Loop as an app or a tab in Microsoft Teams. One workaround is to use Whiteboard and paste your Loop components there. To start, click the three dots on the left in your Teams application. Then search for Whiteboard at the top. And click the Whiteboard icon when it appears. Next, click Open at the top, and you'll notice that Whiteboard has been added to the left menu. You can easily create and share your whiteboards from here. But if you'd prefer to share Loop components in a channel tab, head across and click the Teams icon. Then select the channel where you want to share Loop components, and click the plus icon at the top. Search for Whiteboard. Then click the Whiteboard icon. Rename the tab if required. Then hit Save at the bottom. Now head over to loop.microsoft.com. Here we've got a table we want to share with our team. First, click the 6 dots while hovering over the elements you want to share, then select New Loop Component. Once you've converted the element into a shareable component, click the Copy Component icon. Now head back to Whiteboard, and press Ctrl and V, or Command and V to paste the component. And that's it, you can now collaborate on Loop components using a channel tab. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for important Microsoft news and updates, and a chance to win prizes, be sure to hit the link in the description, and join our newsletter today.